When we walk around this business, we don't see the business, we don't see money, we don't see planes, we see people. That's what I think about, that's what Jim thinks about, that's what Tommy thinks about when we get up in the morning, is all of you and your families and your careers. But growth alone is not the vision. Can we grow stronger based here in Kinston? Is it possible? And I think the answer is not only yes, not only emphatically yes, but it's because we're here in Kinston. I know you're all wondering whether that's something that's realistic. I've heard lots of people say, oh, you can't recruit great people in Kinston. You can't do this, you can't do that. But by the end of this decade, we will have 2,500 or more employees here in our organization. We will be recognized as the ultimate private aviation experience. That's a very lofty goal. But when you think about what we're doing here with the refurbishment and the build out, we can do this.
I can't walk around town in this shirt with people coming up to me and saying, thank you for what you do for this community. It is vitally important. And what we're doing here is incredible. We are building something that matters, not just for our customers, but for our local and national community, doing the right thing to make a lasting positive dent in the world. So what does this mean? Is a year from now, on Minutes Matter, we are much more efficient. We have analyzed our processes. We have eliminated the redundant steps. We care about wasted time. It hurts us in our gut, and we care passionately about that customer experience. We have made this so seamless, so fast, so easy for our customers to book, fly, know what's going on with their flight than anyone else. This is our story. We are Kinston, and we're going to start introducing our family to our customers and the rest of the world.